Why is resistance exercise or strength training important? American Heart Association recommendation for exercise for adults is at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week. This can be spread out over several days of the week and include activities such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or other aerobic exercises. In addition to aerobic exercise, AHA also recommends adding resistance training or weight bearing exercises to your routine at least 2 days a week. But why does AHA also suggest resistance or weight bearing exercises at least twice a week? Let's find out. Resistance exercises involves using weights or other forms of resistance to build and maintain muscle mass. This can include exercises like weightlifting, resistance bands, body weight exercises, push-ups, squats, lunges, or planks, or using weight machines at the gym. Strengthening your muscles gives you the ability to perform everyday activities with ease and helps protect your body from injury. Stronger muscles also lead to a boost in your metabolic rate, which means you'll be burning more calories even when your body is at rest. You'll be losing fat while maintaining your muscle mass. Benefits of resistance training include strengthened bones and muscles, lower injury risk, easy calorie burning and weight maintenance, reduced chronic disease risk, improved mental health, enhanced balance and stability, better functional fitness and quality of life. Incorporate all 4 exercises types like endurance, balance, flexibility, and strength training for optimal health. Strength training induces muscle hypertrophy, enlarging muscle fibers without increasing the cell count. This promotes muscle growth and strength. For weight loss, strength training boosts metabolism, helps burn calories even at rest, and helps you lose fat while preserving the muscle mass. Runners also benefit from improved strength, power, endurance, and reduced injury risk. Remember to be patient and give yourself time to see improvements in your strength and fitness. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. For information on weight loss programs, check the link in the description.